Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make outline effect in CapCut PC. Head to the text section and click on the plus icon. Type the desired effect. Use the bold font. Adjust the font size to the screen. Make a duplicate copy. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Click on the blue layer. Go to the text and select the color to black. Head to the strokes, click on that and use the stroke color. I'm using red one for my case, and reduce the thickness to 10. Then right click and create compound clip and head to the video section. Go to the blend, drop down and use the screen, and then select the above layer outline. Go to the animation section and use the in tab and apply type 1 and adjust the duration to 2.5 seconds. Now let's play how it looks. So I hope this is super easy, and I hope you understand how to make outline effects in CapCut PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.